Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to Junk Journal January day 19. Let's grab our junk journals and let's get creative for today's prompt of bubble. First had to pour myself a good cup of coffee to get my creativity flowing for today's prompt. I felt a bit tired at the moment, that's why this video is also a bit later in the day than usual. I hope you forgive me and will enjoy this little creative session with me anyways. And I'm really excited for all the prompts that are still coming, but I don't know why I didn't have an immediate idea for bubbles, but it was a bit difficult for me today to come up with a concept, so I just did get some of the transparent paper that I have used previous in my junk journal already and did draw some bubbles on top of it. I was feeling really uninspired today, I don't know. But like I preach in my other videos, the more important thing is to get out the materials and to show up and to create something, even if it's not the best work of art you have ever made. Just show up, get out your stuff and create something. So I just added a little quote here on the side of the page and add this like transparent overlay with the bubbles, and also decided to add a few stickers. I think like sometimes it's fine to fold back to stickers and more decorative elements that you got in your stash when you don't feel that inspired. So that's what I did today. How are you all guys doing? How is your Junk Journal January challenge going? I hope you enjoy this little fast creative session with me anyways, and I hope we will have a more in-depth creative process tomorrow. I'm sure we will. There will be something coming, I guess, and I will get back into the groove. I'm just having a really tired Sunday, I guess, so I just added some blue flower and butterfly stickers here because I thought they would fit the vibes of the bubble theme well, and then I just ripped apart a bit to reveal the flowers and added my usual kind of little stamp of the day. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Happy creating!